Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to disable personalized ads in TikTok. If you want to have more control over the ads you see on TikTok and enhance your privacy, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open TikTok on your device and ensure that you're logged in to your TikTok account. Step 2. Tap on Profile from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the menu options. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy to access the settings and privacy options. Step 5. Within the settings and privacy options, look for and tap on Ads. This will allow you to customize your ad preferences. Step 6. Detoggle the option for personalized ads. By disabling this feature, you'll no longer receive ads tailored to your interests and preferences. By following these simple steps, you can take control over the ads you see on TikTok and enjoy a more personalized, ad-free experience. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more private and personalized TikTok experience.